This is my school.
This is my school.
My school is very big.
My school is very big.
I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
The bell is ringing.
The bell is ringing.
Our teacher is coming.
Our teacher is coming.
Please stand up.
Please stand up.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Read this lesson.
Read this lesson.
Write in your notebook.
Write in your notebook.
Don't make noise.
Don't make noise.
Pay attention in class.
Pay attention in class.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
May I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir?
May I go out?
May I go out?
Please give me the chalk.
Please give me the chalk.
Please clean the board.
Please clean the board.
Please sharpen my pencil.
Please sharpen my pencil.
Can you lend me a pen?
Can you lend me a pen?
What is the answer?
What is the answer?
I don't know the answer.
I don't know the answer.
Please explain it again.
Please explain it again.
The teacher is teaching English.
The teacher is teaching English.
We are learning a poem.
We are learning a poem.
We are doing math sums.
We are doing math sums.
The class is very quiet.
The class is very quiet.
The teacher is asking questions.
The teacher is asking questions.
I am writing the answers.
I am writing the answers.
Please read loudly.
Please read loudly.
We are sitting in the classroom.
We are sitting in the classroom.
I am sitting on the first bench.
I am sitting on the first bench.
He is my classmate.
He is my classmate.
She is my best friend.
She is my best friend.
We play in the playground.
We play in the playground.
We eat lunch in the break.
We eat lunch in the break.
Please share your tiffin.
Please share your tiffin.
I forgot my homework.
I forgot my homework.
The teacher scolded me.
The teacher scolded me.
The teacher praised me.
The teacher praised me.
We are going to the library.
We are going to the library.
We are reading storybooks.
We are reading storybooks.
We are going to the computer lab.
We are going to the computer lab.
We are learning typing.
We are learning typing.
Today is the exam.
Today is the exam.